Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So if you are facing this issue, you have to do the 2-3 method to solve this issue. First of all, make sure your mobile is connected with your internet or your sim have data package. So if you don't have data package on your sim or you don't have internet access on your phone, you will see this error that your feeds of the Instagram is not refreshed. Moreover, go to the Play Store and update your Instagram if it's not up to date. Moreover, go to the settings and go to the apps and the notification, and from here you have to search for the Instagram and go to the storage and cache and click on the clear storage. You have to follow this method to solve this issue. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.